What's the 411? It is I, the Obscurist tourist, and today I am here on Heidelberg to show you the Heidelberg Project right here in Detroit, Michigan, in the old US of A. So without further ado, this is a very cool project that was started way back in 1986, still going strong today. I haven't been here in about 8 years, but it is still going strong and it has grown exponentially. So without further ado, let's show you around the Heidelberg Project right here in Detroit. Before I get into this explore and tour, I want to give you a little history about the inspiring efforts and vision behind this place and how it ultimately became what it is today. Artist Tyree Guyton returned to Heidelberg on Detroit's east side in 1986, the very street he grew up on. Guyton, however, returned to a street that was now in shambles, mostly abandoned, poverty-stricken, and riddled with drugs. Guyton, together with his grandfather and some neighborhood children, picked up paintbrushes and brooms in a determined effort to transform Heidelberg. Together, the group began to clean up the vacant lots on the street and turn the refuse they found lying around into a massive art environment. These vacant lots transformed into lots of art, and abandoned houses became gigantic art sculptures. The sidewalks and roadway itself were integrated into the mammoth installation, and thus the Heidelberg Project was born. Guyton's vision was not only a way to change the perception of his beloved street, but it was meant to inspire. And in 1988, supporters helped to organize his effort, and the project was officially incorporated. Guyton's work, however, was met with fierce disdain, controversy, and many heated debates throughout the project's first 20 years, but he remained steadfast in his mission. He maintained his art was medicine, and today it is a testament to how one man and an inspired community can change minds, hearts, and one once forgotten street. I'm starting on the other side of the street. I have no idea what my bearings are here, but here we go. Let's start it off with Congo, the art dog. Unfortunately, I love these things, putting my face in there, getting my picture taken, but unfortunately I am alone today, so I cannot indulge. Always loved the Heidelberg Project. One of the things that really makes this place stand out is, and I don't know if it's intentional or not, but there is almost a sort of creepiness to it. These old teddy bears, and it'll be a common theme throughout as I give you a little tour of this place. Water-drenched, waterlogged, sun-kissed, old, almost a sad sort of feel to them. You'll notice a common theme as you walk throughout this entire project is the theme of time, a lot of numbers, and a lot of clocks just randomly placed around here. It's very, very cool. Even though it's just one small swath of a street, literally a block long, it just seems like there are endless things to see here. Just so much to take in. When you think you've seen everything there is to see in one particular part, you take a little deeper look And there's even more hidden in the shrubbery. Another thing you'll see here, a lot recurring theme around this project, aside from time, there are a lot of shoes here. This shoe fence. Look at this. And one of the cool things that you could do and you should do when you visit this site is come here and donate to the Heidelberg Project. You can even sign into the guest list, and you can even buy a book helping to support the project. This little welcome center, information center, is located right in the middle of Heidelberg, so you can't miss it. There are also some little kitties around here. A bunch of kitties just running around. Look at that guy. He doesn't like me much. More clocks. And there's the infamous street sign, Heidelberg, right at the corner of Heidelberg and Ellery. Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair. Your scruffy little hair. Where's your hair? Huh? A little mountain of shopping carts over here. And another mountain, although it was a wall before. This time it's a mountain. A mountain of shoes. Here is one of the things that was here the last time when I visited 8 years ago. I always remember this. And look at this. There's a man down here. What is that, a little donkey? Dude, get up. And check this guy out. I just saw him out of the corner of my eye. Just hanging out. Hey, buddy. How's it going? Look at these feet. Boom. Those are big guys. Nice little commentary on Detroit itself. When I used to come here 20 years ago, 25 years ago, Detroit was a haven for abandoned cars. Still is, pretty much, if you drive down the wrong parts of town. And this is a good indication of just what I'm talking about. These are car hoods. Look at this. Perhaps taken from a scrap heap somewhere in town, but more likely that these were taken from abandoned cars around town. No, that is not fact, that is just conjecture. I'm just saying, hey, why not? You got God news, space news, and everyone's favorite news, sex news. Every piece so bizarre, and yet the next piece is even more weird. Look at this guy. But this giant heap of stuffed animals, stuffed inside a boat, no less. Very weird, but very cool, and also very disturbing. Just look at this thing. Look at these legs just sticking out here. Doink. So you can see this entire parquet that separates these two streets just filled with toys, stuffed animals. Look at this guy. Just hanging out. Hey, buddy. Even the sidewalks are not safe from art. And this is the Numbers House here, created in memory of Thelma Woods. But hey, why not check out a polling station right here in Heidelberg? Now, that doesn't look like a typical polling station to me. There is just so much to see here. It just blows my mind how, realistically small this is, but yet there's so much packed into it. It's just crazy. I've been here for like, I don't know, an hour? I still feel like I have seen nothing. One of the few houses located on this street. I think there are a total of 4 houses on this 1 block swath. Again, as I always preach, be very respectful. Ask permission when you come here. When I was pulling up, somebody did not heed that advice. And some of the locals, boy, did they tear a strip off him, and he drove away with his tail between his legs. So don't do that. Don't be like him. Always be respectful and ask for permission if someone's around. And look at who it is. I've been trying to make friends with this guy the entire time, and he refuses to do so. Makes me sad. Where you going, buddy? Man, I want to play you, but you don't work. Look at this guy just hidden in the bushes here. The tall grass. Look at these two having a great time in there. What are you guys up to? Look at this. They've even got a little Canadian representation here in the televisions. And this is pretty neat. I didn't even realize it when I was walking up, but this right over here, hidden behind all of the art in this part of the project, the old foundation of a house. And they've even made this, even included this into the project. Look at that. So weird. I absolutely love it. This might be the creepiest thing in the entire project, and that's saying a lot. No stone left unturned here. Just insanely creepy. Look at this stuff. Well, that is it for me here in Detroit, Michigan, here at the Heidelberg Project. And listen, I really hope you enjoyed my little tour. It is such a wonderful, wonderful little gem here in a city that not a lot of people give a chance to. So if you are, and you happen to be in this part of Michigan and the United States, please visit, please donate. I will leave some information on this entire project below. For now, it is the Obscurist who are saying so long. Take care of yourselves, stay safe, stay beautiful, and until our next adventure, see you later.